go straight to these guys. We're just gonna play them. Oh my god. I feel like I'm doing regular shooter. It literally sucks, but it looks really then I have that new baby reaction. So it really sucks. Hey, it looks pretty cool now. Just afraid for the wheels, so I don't mind having to out. I'm gonna get on. God. Okay, well, that really is it for this helicopter. I'm not that too impressed. But anyway, it was fun making the video, and thank you for watching.